Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today we're going to have a look at the Keen KS86 Leather shoe in Maple Cameo Rose. It's such a pretty shoe. It's all leather. Let's have a look. So you know that moment when you open a box and instantly know you're going to love what's inside? That's exactly how I felt unboxing the Keen KS86 Leather shoes in Maple Cameo Rose. Just have a look at those. The color is soft and pretty. You know what? I also bought these in the natural birch color. I just couldn't decide. I do have a video on those shoes as well. You know what? The smell of the real leather hits you right away. That rich, natural scent that synthetic materials just can't replicate. These shoes actually feel timeless with that perfect mix of craftsmanship and everyday wearability. So let's take a closer look at what makes the KS86 Leather such a beautiful find right out of the box. Now I love the detailing on this shoe. The loops on the tongue and the heel for pulling the shoe on. There are also built-in loops to hold the laces in place. All these little details make Keen shoes really stand out. Now another thing I love is the beautiful stitching. You'll notice there's both straight and zigzag. It's kind of cool. Now I love how the sole wraps itself up the back of the shoe, protecting your heel and actually making it really easy to remove your shoe without damaging the leather. So the sole also wraps around the toe, and this is kind of a Keen signature, again protecting the front of the shoe. Now as we look at the tread on the bottom of the shoe, it's actually really unique with those little round nubs. And when I turn it sideways, you can see that they're actually slanted. Now I've been wearing these out on my walks and hikes, and I really do notice how grippy they are when I'm climbing steep surfaces. I just love the look of these. They're kind of rugged, but they're still polished and refined looking. One thing I love about Keen shoes is that they fit me so well. I'm a size 9 and I can order these online and I just know they fit. So these are not spongy, floppy, cheap feeling shoes at all. They are solid, they won't break down easily, and they will last a long time. The insole is removable, so if you want to put in your own orthotic or a special insole in, no problem. As you can see, there's an optional top hole that I'm not using. When I do, they feel a little tight around my ankles, so I just lace them up to the top. But if you have smaller ankles, that is an option for you. Leather KS86 comes in 3 color choices. I'm telling you, I had a really hard time deciding. This is the Maple Cameo Rose, again made with that beautiful leather. I love the combination of white, blush pink, gray, and that pop of brown leather. The grippy bottom is a lighter color than the natural birch. And then there's one other option called birch and star white. It's more of that classic all whitish looking shoe. Now, I only talk about products on my channel that I love. If you could see yourself in these shoes, check out the link I've added below in the description. I also have a close-up video on the KS86 in natural birch, and a video on the amazing hard bottom slippers that Keen makes called the Hauser 3 Slide. I wear them every single day. They are so comfy. Now you can't go wrong with Keen shoes. They last a very long time and they're my go-to shoe for day-to-day wear. We spend so much time on our feet and we need to treat them well. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Keen KS86 Leather Sneaker. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell for more great reviews. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life. Here are a few other videos you might enjoy watching.